So when it comes to analytics, the one that I like is called Direcon. It's the one that I use and the one that I recommend you use. Right here it says, get detailed insights about your room's audience interest, demographics, identify the best performing rooms, topics, and moderators of your club. And you can start a free trial, and once you get inside, this is what it looks like. It'll give you live insights. It'll give you the people, the listeners, and so forth. And basically, you're finding out how your room performs. So understanding your room's performance is great because you want to give ROI to your PR clients. You want to let them know, okay, you were in here for this amount of time. This is how many people were there, the duration of it. These were the listeners. These were the stickiness. This was the average time that they actually listened. And this can help you to give better presentations. It can help you to find out, exactly like who is your audience. And you can also like stop assuming what topics your audience would like to listen to, because inside it gives you the age range of the people, and it also gives you their interests. Like if they like meeting people, if they like networking, if they like social issues, so you can build your topics around those interests, around those demographics, and that'll help you get topics that would be great for your next rooms. And then another thing too, you can level up your marketing, right? Because not only does this analytics tool export the data, but it also gives you their Instagram handle and their Twitter usernames, and you can use that in your target marketing, in your pixels. You can retarget these people. So it's a really great way to level up your marketing. And it says right here, this person listened to your room 5 times. This person listened for 4 hours. This one spoke, and you can export all of this information into a Excel program, send it to your virtual assistant, and get this stuff retargeted so that you can start talking to these people, and you can sell whatever product that you have. And then right here it talks about you can also learn how to be a master moderator. If you want to, if people are listening on Clubhouse, you can start your free trial. You can just track, like when you start your own club, you can track the activity. You can see how many followers you have, how many rooms, how many people listen to it. I mean, and right here you can identify the best moderators, the best performing clubs. And when you can identify the best performing clubs, you can reach out to those people and you can collaborate with them, speak with them in their clubs. They already have a huge audience. So when you speak to their clubs, then you can get more followers as well. So, and then you can compare your club with others. You can see how well yours is doing besides anyone else's. But not even about competition. It's about collaboration. Get to know the owners of these clubs. Ask him, invite them onto your Clubhouse stage. Ask them questions, pick their brain, get to know them. Have a podcast, get them on your podcast. There's so many different things that you can do. And this particular analytic tool, Direcon, it's great. It also have what is called a public link. So this link lets your audience subscribe to your email newsletter. They can book a meeting with you. If you have a freebie, they can download it. I mean, the sky's the limit. So once again, this is a really great platform. I love it. I have a free